Hey guys, Dave here, Toothless Trader, Discount Retailer, LLC on eBay, Walmart, Macari, and Bonanza. I'm gonna let my cat out here. Go. Alright. Franklin's his name. Cool cat. Anyway, this video's about that Vero that I got. I told you guys about, I don't know, a week and a half ago. I got it settled in my favor. I contacted Motorola, which, in case you didn't see the last video, it was for these things right here. Supposedly counterfeit. Go figure. Anyway, Motorola said everything is cool. They said they called eBay. eBay knows nothing of them calling, so I had to prove that Motorola was okay, and the email said no, any repercussions against the seller, just yank it all, everything is good. Anyway, so here, this is my photo booth. This is really what I want to talk to you about. How I made this simplistic thing right here. Am I doing it again? Yeah, here it is. There it is. There's the lights, very simplistic. Two of these. I don't think they make these bulbs anymore, but I think that's the reveal. A cool white. You want a daylight type white, because what do they say? Natural light's the best for photos and whatnot. So anyway, that's that. Just whiteboard. I paint it once a year. Makes my house stink, but we get it outside sometimes. Anyway, gotta love my Heineken thing. My banner. It's for sale, my banner. This here's my supply closet. Looks pretty disorganized, but got everything I need up here. I got bags that I use. Got my head up there for hats, and I got the padded envelopes and the copy paper and more bags. Bags under here. More boxes of bags. I got my big case of packing tape. I always buy by the case. Then if you get this stuff, when you buy stuff, if you get this, keep it, man. It works good. God, use it over. You know what it's for. Even these things. I got some ceramics that I'm gonna be shipping, and I'm gonna use that stuff too, and paper. So that's cool. Oh, mechanical pencils. I love them. Can't get by without them. They're great. All right. Now we'll swing over here. Oh, that's a cluster on that box. Those are all different SKUs. Right there. Right there. All them different SKUs in this box. I sell replenishables, so I have big boxes with a lot of smaller stuff. Anyway, here's my wrapping table. Couple sawhorses. Piece of plywood right here. Couple pieces of plywood hanging down on each side right here. And I just got a closet dowel. Goes through to the other end. Right there. And I got my bubble wrap hanging there. I can fit two, but now that I got this, I really can't. So, I guess I can't fit two. Got my tape gun, stapler, glue gun for making boxes. Tape, razor blades. This is, I put my glue sticks in there. Pens, pencils, knife, scissors. These things from USPS, they're great. You put your document in there, put it right on your item, and you're good to go. Out the door, kind of like this type of thing. Oh, here, look at this one. They just right on there like that. No, I didn't show you no one's address. Now let's go downstairs and look at my inventory. Yeah. Down we go again. See if I can do it right this time. Alright. This here is my inventory. Okay. I'm pretty sure I did it right. And if I didn't, I'm going to go shoot myself in the head. Franklin just came downstairs. Here's my all my inventory for now that I have. Move my... Gotta have one of those. Hey, we come over here and we're all over there. We're all in here. Like that there. I got surplus here. Let me see. I want to see something. Yeah, there's no way that this... I was filming this right, because that's a light. And I got, well, all kinds of stuff. Over here, we got more. This is my, what did I say on my platform here? This is a surplus. I got crap all the way down. Bubble wrap, boxes I got to get rid of. And that's pretty much that. But all these numbers mean something to me. And if I get down on stuff, you know, like the box empties out, I write space right there to let me know there's space. And then I utilize the boxes as much as I possibly can. I'm hoping I film this right, because the last two times I did it, I don't know what happened, but I was filming myself. I'm hoping I was holding the camera like this. But this should work. I mean, come on now. Whoa, let's get dizzy. No, I don't want to do that. Alright, Franklin. Hey, there's my cat. Come on, get up there. Hey, what are you doing? Come on. Up. Get up there. No, 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 no. Come on. Come on. Hey, no, no, no. Yeah, I know. Get up there. Alright. Coming through. Alright, I'm back in here. Yeah, back here. Back again. Oh, look at that. Excuse me. So, that's going to be the end of this video. Oh, wait a second. Inventory and location book right there. Got everything done up. Item 1, section D3. Downstairs are sections. It's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Keeps going down the line. And then those are the levels. And then the sections are, if it's level D, there's 4 sections on each level. So D3 would be the 3rd section and level D, item 1. It's really quite simple. Alright. I'm going to be hanging it up for this video, and hopefully you pulled something from this. Maybe you can use it, maybe you want to, maybe you don't. I don't know. That's all up to you. Like, subscribe, share if you want. And I will be seeing you on the next video. Okay? Take care, peace out, and have a great evening or day. Depends on when you watch this. See ya.